Hi, I welcome you to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make honey glazed broccoli together. It's a very simple dish and the ingredients are not that many either. So let's look at the ingredients. First up, a crown of broccoli. Cut the broccoli into bite-sized florets and keep them aside. Next, grab a bowl and mix half a teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of garlic finely chopped. Then add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch powder dissolved in cold water. Mix all these ingredients well and keep them in this bowl. Take a pot and heat some oil on medium heat. When the oil gets hot, add the broccoli florets to it. Add a little bit of salt, keep stirring. When the broccoli is half cooked, add the sauce mixture and stir and continue cooking until our sauce thickens and our honey glazed broccoli is done. It's a very simple dish to make. It doesn't take any onions. And that's the fabulous thing about it. You only need to cut 2 vegetables. It gets done in 20 minutes. I hope you guys try out this dish. It's very tasty and you get a satisfying meal out of it. If you found this dish quick and easy to make, give it a like and share it with your friends. Catch me in my future videos by subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell notification icon. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.